Let's talk about Cissus verticillata, which is it's a weed. It's a climbing vine which grows all over the world, different varieties, up to 350 varieties. And this really does help with lowering cholesterol, lowering blood sugar in a huge way, and also help with inflammation and much more. Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now. Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 33 years. Let's get healthy. You can do it. Like what I do? Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please tell others, let's get them healthy too. I want to talk today about Cissus. I've talked about the Cissus family before, the Cissus quadrangulus, but today I want to talk about Cissus verticillata, which is this vine which grows in our backyard like crazy, and it has no flavor whatsoever, but it's amazing for lowering blood sugar and cholesterol, and also really great for inflammation and all kinds of different things. Well, it grows just about everywhere in the world, some variety, 350 different varieties, but this particular variety grows mostly in the tropics. It grows in all the southern states, and especially Florida. And you can find it on Amazon and eBay as live plants also. And in Mexico, they're growing it on top of roofs to keep the heat down. So that's a really big thing also. Grows in the Caribbean, grows in all the tropical islands, Central America, South America, Asia, all over. And it is just amazing stuff. It really, I am telling you, really does lower blood sugar in a huge way. It does not actually increase your insulin or anything. It actually has an agent called tremonin, which actually decreases the amount of blood sugar you have going on. It's called like a plant insulin. So it's been used that way for thousands of years. Also good for diarrhea, also great for any kind of inflammation in the body, especially for the bladder. Also infections of any kind, helping to prevent cancer, and there's new studies talking about how it might help cancer, all kinds of things. Also, anti-inflammatory, as I said, antimicrobial, helps to kill off bacteria, and also lots of fungal diseases, and really good, has all kinds of capabilities. It's been used for arthritis and menopause and helping with obesity, pain, infections, diabetes, as I said. And it really does work for lowering that blood sugar in a huge and fast way. Also protects the liver and protects the GI tract system, which is really important. And a study by Santos showed that Cissus administered to a diabetic patient actually lowered their blood glucose in a big way. So it also contains lipids and psilocybins and terpenes and steroids and alkaloids and phenolic compounds like in green tea, all kinds of great things. They actually did studies with animals and tried to give them too much and cause problems, but they never could. It has some way of being able to take and cause death and bacteria and also fungal, diseases and that type of thing for some reason. And a survey conducted by WHO showed that approximately 80% of the world actually depends on herbal medicine in order to have good health. And also, they're looking at all these different plants to see, if we have all kinds of bacteria that are going crazy that don't respond to antibiotics, but they're looking at these plants now to see if they can find, things that will work for drug-resistant bacteria and viruses and all kinds of things. And they also said herbal drugs are believed to enhance natural resistance of the body against infection, and their immune modulatory activities been reported in numerous plants. So, plant medicine, there's no doubt about it. You can buy it in tea bags. In the right below the description, I have a link to one seller from here in Puerto Rico, and you can buy that. Also, I've seen it on Amazon in tea bags and in loose form, and that will do your body good also. Dosage, I would say I would actually take 1 cup of tea, put your tea bag in there, add hot water, let it steep for 15 minutes. It has no flavor whatsoever. You could actually chew on these leaves. They have no flavor at all, but they do have huge compounds in them that really do you some good. Recommend 1 tea bag or 1 cup of tea daily. You might use twice. You don't want your blood sugar to go down too far, though. That's important. Side effects that may interact with some drugs. Also, it's going to lower your blood sugar in a big way. So be careful with that. Also, not for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. And once you get this plant, you can buy the plants on eBay, and I think I saw some on Amazon also. And once you get it going, it's pretty hard to stop it. You have to keep cutting it back all the time. Pretty inexpensive on Amazon, 30 tea bags for $7. Also, a loose tea, 3 ounces for $20. That's a lot of tea bags. So it really pretty inexpensive for sure. It also does a good job of lowering cholesterol, which is, I think, the second thing that it really does well. But it works for just about anything. Everything is related to inflammation. And if we can get rid of the inflammation, we have a great way of living a long, healthy life, that's for sure. So if you want something that really does work, and if you have this growing around, you don't even have to buy it. You can just use it, and it has no flavor whatsoever and really does lower blood sugar and cholesterol and get rid of the inflammation quickly. I recommend using it for no more 7 to 10 days. Give yourself a break of a week and come back to it if you need to. So that's it for Cissus verticillata. It really is a weed, but herbs are weeds, and you can harvest them. Look around your garden. You may be pulling up something that may have huge health benefit to you. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. Maybe your doctor has not been able to help you. I can almost guarantee that we're going to make a change and get you healthy. And I work to get rid of the cause. Let's not take care of symptoms. That's what doctors do just treating the symptoms. Let's treat the cause and get you healthy. They're not making you healthy. 831-869-9119. Also, remember God, remember I love you. And there is a lot of negative energy going around in the world right now. I'm a person who believes in doing a cleansing of the house with sage. And I think it's really important to do that at least once a week now. I have found huge amount of people coming down with depression, anxiety, and stuff, which is connected to this negative energy that's going on around the world. So, and also keep saying your prayers and say them out loud. I love you.